So we've recently done a full VXR engine conversion on this Vauxhall Nova. There's still one thing I'm not happy with, and that is this. Now that is in gear, and as you can see, that is sloppy. That bush at the bottom's absolutely had it. So we have got an improved bush to hopefully take that play away, but not only that, we've also got a nice weighted short shifter. Now, for the price of this, I am very impressed with the quality. So let's see how it fits and see what it feels like afterwards. Right, so I've got the shifter out of the car and I've just popped this bottom ball joint off this. That's for one of the cables and it just literally pulls off your hand. So, what do we need to do? Well, this spring clip here has to come out. Then we need to twist this round slightly like that. And then this will prise out. And there we go, that is that bit out. So, next job, we need to push this pivot pin out. So the pivot pin will go through here. That needs to come out. Just so, just like that. Now, the bush kit does actually come with a new pivot pin. And again, this is meant to be slightly upgraded. And there you go, that just pulls out like so. Now the old bush should just pull off with a little bit of force. Now, ooh, right, next job. We've got an O-ring at the bottom of that. That needs to come out. Right, so this bit is basically scrap. However, we do need this bush off the end. So that just should just pull off. Like so, we're going to put this on this one. And there we go. That's a nice tight fit. And then I think I need to take gear knob off to get this off. So that can just slide off now. That's going to come off. And that's that bit done with. So I'm going to clean this. So we are now on to reassembly. So I'm going to take the gear knob off. This is a steel gear knob and it weighs a ton, which is great to make this shift really nice. Take this bit out. Right, now we've got brand new O-ring, so that needs to go in the bottom of this here. And we need to grease this bush and slide it over the new short shifter. Plenty of grease. Just using a silicone base grease here, so it's not going to rot the rubber or plastics or anything like that. And let's slide this over. Now, I've been told these are quite difficult. Oh, now we are going to put this, again, we're going to put a bit of grease through here, just around here, and that can go back in its hole. Need to line this up. So it goes in there, again, a bit of grease. And there we go, that's that bit done. Right, next, O-ring on the top. And finally, we need to put this back in. Rotate it round. And I can already tell that's going to feel a million times better. finally the pivot pin. Right, so I'm just going to put this cable adapter back on. Again, plenty of grease. And that's that on too. I had to just tap it on with a hammer. But yeah, we're away. Buzzing about that, so we need to put the clip back in, and that's that done. I'm just going to put this assembly back on. So it comes with a couple of bits in the kit that we don't need, but we do need to put a roll pin in through here. Otherwise, this bit's just going to be rotating around. So like so. Spring on, and finally screw the gear knob on. So honestly, that feels incredible already. I cannot wait to get it back on the cart and see exactly what she feels like. So there we go, that is fitted, and it feels really direct and really nice. So I am very, very happy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it was useful, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you later. Bye bye.